There's no boss around here. We just work. We do it for the colony. Are those eggs? Where did it come from? They're green. Wow. All of it? Yes. Wait. So, how do you guys know how, what, and where? We have chemical signals called pheromones. Cell phones? Pheromones. Pheromones. What's happening? We're building a house to protect our eggs. So when the rain comes, we're safe. We'll save food too. But why? It's all part of the plan. You guys are awesome. And small. You think so? But remember this. Even small creatures can achieve big things when they help and support each other. By working together, we can do anything. Banoy, anak ko! Ayan na nga tan! I need to go back. I think my mom's calling me. I had the best time with you guys. Bye-bye! A wondrous sight, with home so high, with one desire, together they climb. Oh, Banat, you're the shining light. Guide us through to reach heights. Intay nga rode nagtitipon, may sakin, may sakit tinulog. Let us give thanks to Apo, give Him praise. May sakin, let us celebrate. Abuos Banas, we walk hand in hand. Abuos Banas, together we will stand. Abuos Banas, itatag ay daka. Abuos Banas, imnas mo na idumdumang. Abuos Banas, we walk hand in hand. Abuos Banas, together we will stand. Abuos Banas, itatag ay daka. Abuos Banas, imnas mo na idumdumang. Abuos Banas, we